Cleaning our homes, our bodies, and the world is actually very easy. So let's take some simple, doable steps. So we will actually stop using chemical cleaners. So these are all made from soap nuts. These are natural cleaners, you can see. This has liquid lemon, and so these are all natural floor cleaners and laundry detergents, because all this goes into the earth. Again, this is a hand soap with coconut oil and lavender, and it's absolutely divine, I promise you. The other thing you can also do is, during this cleanse, stop using chemical deodorants. This is a natural one with no aluminium, no propylene glycol, no artificial fragrance, but it's really important. Maybe for a few days, there's no need even to use this. So instead, you can use a good natural soap, maybe like Medimix with neem in it, and wash your underarms twice a day when you take a shower really well. And see, you don't need to use so many chemicals on yourself. And this is one of the main reasons for toxic buildup, because we all use so much of these terrible deodorants with aluminium, and I really would say that's one of the main causes of cancer. So please, please don't use them. So the simple acupressure for today is the gallbladder. So if you want to lose weight, you know where this line starts. So just below this line here, this is the gallbladder point. So press release 10 times just before you eat a meal. So this will help in better digestion, and you actually will lose weight if you start doing this. So don't forget the gallbladder point, very easy. So since yesterday was Earth Day, we're going to be using and planting some simple things, at least one single thing. So this is a turmeric rhizome. So we are going to take the turmeric, and then since we have a pot here with the potting soil from the earlier videos, so we make a hole inside, and then we would plant the turmeric inside and cover it with the soil. So you will have an amazing turmeric plant, and those leaves, you can steam food in those leaves. The recipes will give you later, but the aroma of those turmeric leaves steamed with, say, a rice paste and coconut and cardamom, it's absolutely divine. We use it in Goa all the time, and I highly recommend you plant turmeric so you have a lot of it. Just to show you how quickly something can grow, you can see this is a ridge gourd where we took the seeds from the garden, and maybe just a few days ago this was planted, and you can already see how much of the plant has grown. I think maybe it was like a week ago, and see how quickly. It's absolutely magical. This is going to give you so many vegetables and fruits. So clean food is as important to detox as anything else. So imagine how many seeds are inside this, how quickly you have a plant growing, and by the monsoon we will have lots and lots of plants. And the other thing you can also do is to save all your tea bags. So these are all the old tea bags. These are all old Tulsi tea bags. So we dry them like this, then we open up the inside of the bags, and then we use it as manure inside the pots. Whatever we are using, we put all this old Tulsi tea inside. You can do the same with coffee, with all your vegetable waste. So it's really important to live. So this is Fufu here. So what is the lesson we can learn from Fufu? You can see she had 2 fractures. You can see the leg was broken here in 2 places, as well as the rib. And she's completely fearless. You would think she would really hate human beings after being run over twice on a very busy road, but she is the most fearless person I have ever seen. So maybe we can learn more from these rescued babies to be completely fearless. So what is the simple super brain yoga for today? I grow my food effortlessly. Or you can say I grow clean food effortlessly. 5 minutes, keep repeating it. And then with gratitude, looking down 10 seconds, eyes open, 10 seconds, eyes closed. Other thing is, I'm absolutely protected. Keep saying it for 5 minutes and then 10 seconds with gratitude, eyes open, 10 seconds, eyes closed. This is the new neuronal network we're creating. So until tomorrow, enjoy planting one little seed at least and have fun. Thank you so much.